Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we're now halfway through the spooky season, which we've been using as an excuse to draw some of the wicked characters from the world of cartoons. In the last few weeks, we've drawn Bill Cipher from Disney's Gravity Falls, and then last week we drew Yubaba, one of the sister witches from Hayao Miyazaki's animated masterpiece, Spirited Away, with her incredibly memorable and rather detailed facial features. This week I thought we'd build on that drawing of Yubaba by drawing a close-up version of the Joker, the amazing supervillain that occupies the DC universe of Batman. The Joker first appeared in April of 1940 in the debut Batman comic book. This psychotic, warped criminal mastermind has had dozens of different looks throughout the years, which made it difficult to pick one version. So I just sort of drew a generic Joker that represents the brand. Okay, so what do you say we get started? We're going to draw our version of the Joker step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. We're only focusing on the Joker's face today, so we won't have to worry about pegging his other proportions. That said, we want to make sure we get our facial features correct. To do that, I've divided his face, first into halves both vertically and horizontally, and then into quarters. My general rule of thumb is that the average face is half facial features and half forehead and hair. Our drawing of the Joker's face is slightly exaggerated, in that including his eyes, his facial features occupy more than a half. In other words, his face is stretched a bit. But then we're talking about a cartoon here, right? Anyway, what do you say we get drawing the roadmap for a close-up of the Joker? So there's our roadmap for our version of the Joker. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to be drawing as light as possible. We've just used guidelines to help us to know where to put the Joker's insane eyes, long nose, and classic Joker smile. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out the features for his evilness, the Joker. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for the Joker. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw on the final details of our cool close-up of the Joker. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. Remember, this is the time to pause and take a look at your drawing. While it's still lightly sketched out, fix or change things before drawing in those final lines. But even as you begin those final lines, you don't want to just mindlessly retrace over what you've already drawn. As you're drawing that final line, you should be still thinking about how you might improve it, staying vigilant until the very end. Okay? So let's draw in the details for the Joker. And that's how you do it. There you have it, our version of the super villainous, the Joker. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn any version of the Joker before, you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. Much like the face of Yubaba, this drawing of the Joker is a bit tricky. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring the Joker during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing the Joker. And with that, you can draw him again and again. By all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your version of the Joker. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.